Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will discuss about how do personal injury claims work. How do personal injury claims work? So watch completely video, navigate your personal injury journey with ease by seeking medical care, consulting 911 legal group, collecting crucial evidence, and pursuing pursuing justice for a fair and successful resolution. Seek medical care when you're injured. It's crucial to get medical help right away. This ensures you receive proper care and creates a medical record of your injuries. These records are important in your case as they provide evidence of the harm you experience. Consult 911 groups. Legal groups reach out to over experienced team at 911 legal group for a free consultation. Well, listen, trust us professionalism, collect evidence together, well gather evidence to support your claim. This many may involve interviewing witness, reviewing reviewing documents, and collecting photos and videos of the incident. A strong and documents and collecting photos or video of the incident. A strong foundation of evidence is key to building a successful case. Pursue justice with 911 legal group by your side while work tirelessly to secure the compensation you deserve. You deserve accountability with deserve. So watch completely video and also completely video. Watch now pursue justice. So in last I will tell you with 911 legal group by your side will work tirelessly to secure the compensation you deserve. Our goal is to help you recover and hold those responsible accountable. Why 911 legal team at 911 legal group we pride ourselves on providing unique and personalized experience that sets up us apart from other law firms. Our expert team of compassionate and dedicated attorneys understands that each case is as individual as our clients, and we go above and beyond to ensure you receive the care and attention you deserve. We're not just in its your just in your and also Subscribe my YouTube channel for more insurance videos. Our motto is that we treat our clients like family. That means there isn't a stone left unturned in our pursuit to get you justice and injustice. Or finally look like video starting the video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more insurance videos. So watch completely video and also meet you in our next video. Take care. Goodbye.